Hey everybody, what is up? Thank you for tuning into today's video. Today is January 1st of 2021 and I am super excited. You guys have finally helped out with the suggestions for today's giveaway videos and we're gonna get right to it. But before I do, I just want to say, guys, if I haven't been posting videos, I had some videos lined up for you guys, but some of the videos got corrupted and actually my fault. I accidentally deleted a video, a very important DIY, and it's lost, and I was super sad about it, bummed out, and I got so mad, so I didn't want to make any videos for like the past month. But today is New Year, so I have no choice but to make a video. No, but for reals, guys, I promise I will be making more videos. You guys have been DMing me and this, and I just don't want to go on my rant to give excuses and all this and that. But for real, guys, let's just get right into it. 2021 giveaways, super easy. If you guys don't remember, every year I do this. Basically, Import Unlimited sponsors this, and we're going to be giving away all kinds of free stuff. This year is going to be super awesome, super different. I'm just super excited because I've never done this before. I'm going to be giving away a Nissan 300ZX twin turbo, and it's a collector's car. You'll love it. Hot Wheels, we're going to be throwing these in there with the giveaways. We're going to be putting in gift cards. So we're going to be putting in money. We're going to be putting in merch. We're going to be putting in all kinds of stuff in there. Just throw it in there in this box. We'll ship it out to you guys. So the first 3 people to get these questions right will win. So let's do this. And another thing, disclaimer, if you're still not the top 3, I still want to hear your answers. Put it on the comments, and I still want to know what's your favorite pizza in all these questions. It'll be fun to interact and know a little bit about you guys. Question number 1, just put it on the comments. Favorite pizza place? You have Pacifica, Pizza Hut, Round Table, Domino's, whatever, Papa Murphy's, whatever you guys want to do, just put it on the comment for your number 1, your favorite pizza place. Number 2, what's your go-to energy drink? It could be a Monster, it could be a Red Bull, whatever it is, put it on there. I actually happened to get into this year Body Armor. I really like it. It's just really good. I love the flavors. Might throw those in the giveaways too. So put that in there for your number 3. Oh, this one's good. Your favorite official 1 Samuel video and why? There's over 100 videos on YouTube that I have. So just choose one, put it on there, and why? Why is that your favorite official 1 Samuel video? So that's pretty much it, guys. The first 3 people to do this, do it right, will get the giveaways. And then I might be throwing in a little bit extra in there. I'll be throwing in all kinds of stuff because I'm generous. That's what I do. Sponsored by Import Unlimited, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Okay, come on, take it out.
I wasn't recording.
What? You stupid! Who doesn't love a Nissan? But for reals, we're gonna be throwing in.
About to die.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Damn, I gotta go get another one. Okay, pause it. Am I allowed to say that?
I don't know.
Ooh. Happy, thanks. No.